Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how you can download and install Librarian tidy up the Arcane library game on your PC or laptop. So first head over to the Steam website, then just click on the sign in option you will see on the top, and here just scroll down on this page you will see option to create an account. So just click on the create an account and go ahead and create the account of Steam. After you create the account of Steam, click on the install Steam option you will see on the top and click on the install Steam again and download the Steam setup and install it on your PC. After you install the Steam, just open it up, sign in your account, then click on top search box and just type Librarian tidy up the Arcane library. You will find this game on the top. So just open it up and scroll down. You will see the option of add to cart. So just click on this option, then click on option of view my cart, then click on the option of continue to payment and go ahead pay the amount for this game. After you pay the amount for this game, you will see this game in your Steam library. So just go to your library of Steam, find this game, then click on install. That's how you can download and install this game on your PC. If you find this guide useful, consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel.